Looking for the best home spray tanning kits? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 home spray tanning kits on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. MaxiMist, Allure Xena Sunless Spray Tanning System. Lightweight and mobile. Designed with retractable hidden carry handle. Easy to assemble. Products are 100% vegan and not tested on animals. Includes instruction manual. This product is great for beginners and designed for easy transport. Some customers noted experiencing splattering. At number 2. Bronze Tan, Professional Spray Tan Machine. Lightweight and easy to use. Provides smooth and even tan. Uses high quality ingredients. Easy to clean. Comes with professional spray tanning program guide. This kit will create a professional looking airbrush tan at a great price. Some noted hose is flawed. At number 1. Norvell, Sunless Kit. Bundle includes mobile spray system, tanning handheld solutions, and training program. Solutions made with micronutrient technology for powerful mixture of vitamins and antioxidants to create bronze tan. Fragrance free. Enhanced with natural essences. This popular kit will create a beach-like tan without leaving an orange undertone. Straw is too short for solution cup. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.